The SynchroRev Match Mode, S Mode, automatically adjusts the engine speed by controlling the engine throttle on vehicles with a manual transmission. This helps provide accurate engine speed control that will help achieve smooth gear shifting and reduce shift shock on clutch engagement. To activate the system, push the S Mode switch. An indicator light will illuminate. When downshifting, the engine speed is automatically increased to the target engine speed before the clutch is engaged. When upshifting, the engine speed is automatically maintained after the engine speed lowers to the target engine speed. To deactivate the system, push and hold the S Mode switch for more than 1 second. The S Mode indicator will turn off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.